Natural decorative stones inherently require protection from stains and salt accumulation to preserve their beauty over time. This protection is provided by the impregnation waterproofing method, which must be performed and repeated following the manufacturer's guidelines. Waterproofing timing. For outdoor waterproofing, schedule the process during days and times with minimal sunlight to ensure the most effective treatment. Preparation. Equip yourself with work gloves and a brand new wide brush for the application. Cleaning. Start by thoroughly cleaning the stone surface. Remove all dirt and dust and make sure the stone is completely dry before proceeding. Application. Generously apply the waterproofing agent using the brush to cover the entire surface and edges evenly. Keep brush strokes consistent, moving in one direction, either horizontally or vertically. Drying time. Allow the stone to dry after the first coat. Drying time can range from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on weather conditions and the stone's porosity. Inspection. Inspect the surface. Before it dries completely, apply a second coat and let it set. Check the results approximately 1 hour after the second coat to ensure even coverage. Additional coating. Apply a third coat as needed on areas with higher absorption or uneven color. If using a color-enhancing waterproofing agent, reapply it uniformly across the surface. Immediately clean any new stains to preserve the integrity of the waterproofing. Curing time. The stone is considered fully waterproofed 24 hours after the last application. Keep it dry and avoid getting it wet until after this period. Ongoing care. Waterproofing does not eliminate the need for regular cleaning of the stone. Continued cleaning is essential, even after waterproofing, to maintain the stone's pristine condition.